What's going on, all my riders and gliders? Today we are back with another video for you guys. So today we're going to be comparing the Dr. Pulley 12 gram rollers with the stock 17 gram rollers that come with the Honda Navi. So before we get into the comparison here, please note that I'm a short rider. So I'm about 5'4" with the helmet and shoes. Who knows, I'm probably 5'7". You know, I might as well wear it all day long. But I weigh 130 pounds, 140 between there. So keep in mind that my results could be different from your results depending on your body size, body weight, and everything else. Alright, so I'm not going to bore you guys with the whole install video. We're just going to go through it. However, if you do want to see more of a step-by-step or me commentating on the install, I can do that. Just comment below. Let's get to it. Okay guys, so I'm approaching our stretch that we're going to do our pass on. Unfortunately, I don't have an overlay to keep a clock on the screen. So I'm just going to have to keep track of the 0 to 30 on my phone right now. So here we go. Alright, that's going to be our first pass right there, and I clocked it at 6.98 seconds. Alright, so we're going to do our second run right here. Same thing, I'm going to clock it on my phone here at my desk. Alright, so for this 0 to 30, I clocked it at 6.75 seconds. For the top speed I reached in that stretch, keep in mind that the stretch was about 0.3 to 0.4 miles. So for the first run here, we got a top speed of 45 miles per hour. Second run, we have 46 miles per hour. Don't pay attention to that 1 mile, I just didn't stop the GPS. Okay, now that we got the Dr. Pulley 12 gram rollers installed, we're going to do our 2 runs right now. Let me get my stopwatch ready here. Alright, for this run, I clocked it at 5.65 seconds. Alright, now it's time for our second run with the sliders here. Okay, so for this run, I clocked it at 6.37 seconds. Now for the top speed, we reached 45 miles per hour on the first run and 46 miles per hour on the second run. Basically the same exact top speed. Alright, so there you guys have it. You saw the results there. As you can see, the Dr. Pulley 12 gram sliders are indeed better than the stock rollers in my personal opinion. Now, living in a big city here in Dallas, Texas, acceleration is important in order for me to keep up with traffic or to get out the way. So I highly recommend the Dr. Pulley sliders if you're looking to get some more acceleration. I wasn't able to get a top speed. I didn't have a long enough stretch that was flat enough. That road was a little bumpy towards the end, so I couldn't get a top speed. But I'm more worried about the acceleration, and for me, it's a go. I appreciate you guys checking out another one of my videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until then, peace.